Hello, Justin here from Pragmatic Works. Welcome back. Now that we've done our introductory modules, we're going to hit each text function in DAX with its own module. I've combined a couple of them that make sense. For example, left and right. I combine those into one module. So for the most part, though, we're going to go right down the list, starting with combine values. Combine values joins two or more text strings into one with a delimiter. The syntax is combine values followed by the delimiter that we can choose, followed by an expression, another expression, and optionally third or fourth. The return is a string of text. The combine values function in DAX is a merging option that supports multiple arguments and allows you to specify the delimiter. You can use a comma, space, dash, etc. A real world scenario here would be in a retail company with multiple sales systems. You might lack a unified key to link regional sales with customer data. Combine values helps create a composite key used to build relationships between different tables. So linking sales data from legacy systems with a customer master list, for example. Let's head over to Power BI and use the combine values function. All right, welcome into Power BI. You can see that I've got a report with some data over here. We have a date table to start with, and we have a demo data set that I've created just because it was easier to show some of these on this demo data set. These other ones are, I will use on occasion, these other tables, but sticking to my text functions demo data set for the most part. So that's where we're going to start. Let's head over to table view and we'll go to that demo data set. You can see that we have a customer first name and we have a customer last name here. So we have this combine values option, or we have the concatenate option. I want to show you combine values first because it introduces the use of that delimiter, and we are also not limited to two strings of text. Remember we have that option for that third and fourth string. So let's go to new column, and I'm just going to make this bigger. If you want to do that same, it's hold control and press the plus sign. We're going to call this new column customer name, and I'm going to use combine values in the name of the column so that you can see it side by side later with concatenate. So our combination here, remember we start with the delimiter. So let's go with combine values. Combine values starts with the delimiter. And if this DAX ever gets in your way, just press escape and you can take away that IntelliSense. But otherwise, it is very helpful. So let's enter the delimiter first. So we'll go with a comma and a space. So ultimately what I want here is the customer's last name, comma, space, first name. So I included the space in that delimiter. So now my first expression is going to be the customer. Our first expression is going to be the last name from this table. So last name, and we are going to combine that with our second expression, which is going to be first name. All right, and I'll hit enter here when I'm done. So give you a second to look at the DAX. It's helpful to read it back to yourself. We are starting with a delimiter. That's the way this function works. So I'm going to go with comma space, and then I'm going to combine values from last name and first name columns. So if I hit enter now, I have a new column called customer name combine values, and it looks like it did exactly what I wanted it to do. So that's combine values. Remember that it introduces the use of a delimiter of your choice, and you are not limited to two arguments. I'll see you in the next module.